Cute cabin and very private. The environment is cozy. It's rural, perfect for a quick off-grid gateway. Nice staying experience. Morning walk was really great with nice air and easy accessibilities to food to town. Perfect gateway from bustling city. Serene, fresh air and spacious for children to run around. Wooden cottage come with small kitchenware like microwave, electric steamboat and a medium-sized fridge. Big bathtub too. THX. The best chalet in town. Recommended if you guys are heading to Sungai Lembing. Best stay, good location. Good. Definitely a nature retreat. Probably the nicest and comfortable resort despite the secluded and private location. Suitable for nature retreat. Lots of activity around. Tuck away on the hill. Enjoy the morning mist. Laid back town and friendly people. Kids love it. Kids love the Japanese cabin. It's located nearby the hanging bridge. Fully equipped, the room is awesome and sufficient to accommodate 9 of us. Booked 2 rooms and barbecue equipment. The only complaint is the RM50 pre-booked barbecue equipment sets provided. The charcoal is too little for 10 person. We need to pay additional RM15 1 pack. Overall experience is pleasant. Quiet, clean and friendly staff. Very quiet place to have a good relax. 5 minutes walking distance to the famous Linming noodle shop. Nice environment with clean room. Toilet can be improved. Overall is a good place to relax your mind. Comfortable and nice view. The room is nice and clean. The kids love the bed so much. Keep climbing up and down for fun. Smiley face. Serene environment. Great for those looking for forestry and serene environment. Premium hillside rooms are better in my opinion. Also take note on the low season with less tourists, which you may end being the only one at the resort. Don't fret as staff/security personnel is available 24 hours. Overall I quite recommend this place. The resort should also start to expedite the revival/maintenance of the resort as some signs of wearing were visible.